Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic side mirror. First, let's identify the common issues you might encounter with this component. Often, only the mirror glass is damaged, which is a straightforward fix. However, if the housing or internal motor is broken, you'll need to replace the whole assembly. We'll cover both scenarios, ensuring you have the knowledge to tackle either repair. Having the right tools ready will make the job much easier. Before starting, carefully inspect your side mirror. Is it just the glass that's cracked, or is the entire housing loose or broken? If your mirror has power adjustments, test them to see if the motor is working or if there's an electrical issue. For most repairs, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a plastic trim removal tool to protect your car's interior, and an 8mm socket with a ratchet. These basic tools will get you started. For a simple glass replacement, begin by carefully removing any remaining broken glass from the mirror housing. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Next, use a plastic pry tool to gently separate the old mirror glass from its backing plate. Many mirrors have clips or adhesive. Once removed, align your new pre-cut mirror glass with the clips on the backing plate. Press firmly and evenly until it snaps securely into position, ensuring a tight fit. After installing the new mirror, it's crucial to test its functionality. If it's a power mirror, check all adjustment directions to ensure the motor operates smoothly. Confirm that the mirror is securely mounted and doesn't wobble or vibrate when you're driving. This ensures clear visibility and safety. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. A properly functioning side mirror is essential for safe driving, so take your time with these final checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.